Hi, this is attorney Arkady Frekhtman, a New York City personal injury trial attorney. And today I wanted to teach you how to take a photo of the location of an accident. So say, for example, you're walking or somebody's walking and they fall and there's a defective condition, such as a sidewalk flag, where one of the flags is higher than the other and it creates a raise, and the raise is about an inch or so. How do you take a photo of that? We actually just went through a case where my client actually did fall on a public sidewalk in Queens, and we're bringing a lawsuit against the landlord as well as the city of New York. And so it got me thinking, because the client sent me a photo, and it's a good photo. It shows the defective condition, it shows the sidewalk, it shows a fence nearby, and it circles in red the actual place where he fell, which is helpful. And that's all good. You should do that for sure. But what you also want to do is maybe take a photo from further away for context, so you could see exactly where that is. Because in this photo that the client gave me, I could see the defense lawyer's argument right away. Being an experienced attorney, the defense is going to say, well, this could be any sidewalk anywhere because it's just a close-up of a sidewalk flag. So how do I know this is, my sidewalk? So you want to take one from far away, maybe take a picture of the street sign, maybe take a picture of the house, whether it's the front of the house as well as the side of the house. Take a few pictures of really close up of the defective condition with a ruler there if you can, or something else to show, maybe like a pen or something to show how high it is. And then also one, like I said, from further away for context. So that would really help. And if somebody can do that, oftentimes somebody is injured, so they can't do that. So then the thing to do would be to call the lawyer. The lawyer will go out there right away, and the lawyer will take care of that either with his team, or in more serious cases, even an expert like a safety engineer will go out there and do even more photos, even more measurements. So that's the proper way to take a photo. And I see, like in this case, we have some good photos, but I feel like I want to send somebody from my team out there. It just happened a few days ago, and take even more photos with measurements from further away with context, just so I get the case to the ironclad stage. Because once it's ironclad, then we're going to win, and I like to do that for every case. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. Let us know what questions you have, and we are here for you. Bye-bye.